First, I want to go look at she posts good trading ideas. Yeah, and then you see is valid. It's valid. It's very valid. To trick people, you gotta talk about what's hot, and that's how you do it. But I got good analysis with stuff that's hot. You just have to be patient, and that's what most of y'all will do. Y'all gonna listen to me, not even listen, and ignore your own shit, and then do whatever y'all fuck y'all want to do. Uh, as you can see, it's not breaking the law. And boom, the answer somewhere right here because it's a higher time frame, and you just want to put your supports where lower lows and lower highs come. You can see lower lows, boom, 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 and it's so easy. So you're the answer somewhere right here. Maybe would have hit stop loss depending. This probably would have hit stop loss and you lost, but it usually works 75% of the time. So boom. Let's see. Then you go to you get to target this area next, or you could target the same area again. Let's see. So you target the same area again. You see it comes back right here to this green area. And now that's what price is at. So you find two sales you could take. Now let's look at gold for what it is. I got gold for what it is. Gold for what it is. So we're just gonna keep it green. I'll keep it green. So, all right, boom. Hold up, chat. Hold on. Hello? Hello? How you doing? No, I don't want to talk. So, all right, you go to daily. As you can see, this is more of an uptrend. So every time it just drops, you want to take advantage. You just take advantage of drop. So it's on the 4 hour. Let's just replay this back from. All right, we're gonna replay this back from the other day. All right, boom. So all right, what you can see is this is the higher. So we in buys. What it looked like is buys. So what we want to do is buy. We mark the higher high. See what market does. Mark the higher highs on an hour. Scroll down. See what market is doing. Or let's just delete this one and make a different color. I like a different color. So boom, you go to hour. This is what you would do. Yeah. So this is what you would do. It's nice to have these pivot points, but in real time, it probably won't show. So boom, and you see it's making higher highs. Then you go to 30. The first thing you see here, higher high, low low, higher high, low low, higher high, low low, higher high. It breaks out right here. So this is the first breakout. So let's see. So it breaks out from here. Because it shows it doesn't want to, like, sometimes you really have to look at this. It rises up. It's showing it doesn't really want to go down. So even if it breaks up from right here, this market, you see this break from the higher high. And it does touch our support area. So this would have been a good. We don't know where to enter, but as you can see, once it broke out of here from this epic downtrend we had for the day. Once it broke out of this higher high, higher low, it went straight to the TP where I marked out on higher time frames. So the higher time frames is good to have. So boom, as you can see, gold doing what it got to do. After this is probably the only one you probably could afford. And then look, it touched this one right here. And where this one come from? This right here. So at most, you could probably would have went on this joint right here. It was probably no entry, like no clear signified entry. Let's see. No clear. All right, so boom, 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 boom. Probably the only entry you probably see is something like right here on a 1 minute. Probably not even this. This don't even look that good. Uh, I'm trying to even see what entry can you see on a 1 minute. Uh, yeah, there's nothing you probably really can see, but it did hit. I take profit, so you probably would have missed that. Probably would have missed that once it broke out, and then it hit our TP. So and then we go to Nas. Nas, we want to see what it does. So Nas, so this is what we do. Nas, you see 4 hour. You see it's in an uptrend. See it's in an uptrend. Mark up the lows. Mark up the high. Hour. As you can see, lower low is making lower low, high thing, lower low, higher high, break out, comes here, lower low, breaks here, comes here, enter here, fly to here. So as y'all can see, it's so simple. Just follow market structure. So look, boom, is the higher high, it breaks out here, comes down here, comes down here. You probably try to find some entry to here, to here. So this is how you do it. You see, higher high, low low, higher high, low low, higher high, low low, higher high, low low, breaks out, comes back, comes back. And this is our take profit right here. So what would you do? Um, See where to enter at. And there's a lot of places to enter. So easy right here, good entry spots come here, breaks out, breaks here, comes here. Let's see. It's a lot of good entry spots. So this is a good one right here. This is a nice one right here. Comes here. There's a wick. Like even if you enter from here, to make something like this, the stop loss and the TP, something like this. And then look what it does. Look at the magic. And then you just wait to be on it. It breaks out, comes here. Where it broke out at, you see it broke out. Put the alert here, comes here, breaks back in. So if it breaks back in, it goes above here, and it doesn't want to go below. That's to get on the entry. And yeah, that's what I got for today. So if you like that, like, comment, subscribe if you're new, man, and I'm out of here.